Friday tip of the week. This week I wanted to show you how easy it is to make Parmesan crisp. So I have here grated Parmesan that I get from Whole Foods, and I'm literally, the only thing I'm doing is putting it on a baking sheet, and I just do like a couple of teaspoons. I'm going to put that in the oven at 450 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes, and then I will show you how it turns out. So look at that, 450 degrees between 6 to 8 minutes. I will keep a close eye on it because it will go from nice and beautiful Parmesan crisp to burn in just like 5 seconds. And look how pretty it is. You can put it on your salads, on your eggs, just even on its own, just to nibble or as a snack. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.